Vaseline, a simple product that seems to do it all. But are you making mistakes that could actually harm your skin? There are some surprising misconceptions about how to use Vaseline. In this video, we'll reveal the hidden truths behind common Vaseline mistakes and show you how to use it the right way. Let's get started. Using Vaseline as a complete solution for dry skin. Misconception. Do you think Vaseline is a complete solution for dry skin? Many people apply Vaseline all over their face or body, thinking it will deeply moisturize their dry skin. Proper use. First, apply a hydrating moisturizer and then use Vaseline to lock in the moisture. If your skin is normal or dry, Vaseline will work as a barrier. However, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, avoid excessive use of Vaseline, as it can block your pores. In such cases, lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizers are a better option that won't clog your pores. Using Vaseline as a primer for makeup. Misconception. Do you use Vaseline as a makeup primer, thinking it will create a smooth base for foundation? Some people use Vaseline to create a dewy base for makeup, but this can backfire. Proper use. For most people, especially those with oily skin, Vaseline can make makeup slide off and clog pores. Instead, use a silicone-based or hydrating primer that suits your skin type and provides a better base for makeup. Vaseline on nails. Misconception. Do you apply Vaseline on your nails thinking it will make them strong and shiny? Many people mistakenly believe that Vaseline makes nails healthier. In reality, Vaseline can only provide temporary shine, but it doesn't have any long-term impact on nail health. Proper use. If your nails are brittle or dry, Vaseline can help make them shiny. But if you're looking for deep nourishment, cuticle oils like vitamin E or jojoba oil are better, as they strengthen nails from within. You can use a combination of both Vaseline and these oils for regular care. Vaseline as a makeup remover. Misconception. Do you use Vaseline as a makeup remover? Many people use Vaseline to remove stubborn makeup like mascara and lipstick. But if your skin is oily or acne-prone, it can block your pores and cause breakouts. Proper use. Vaseline can be helpful in dissolving makeup if you have dry skin, but make sure to wash your face with a gentle cleanser after using Vaseline on the face. However, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, micellar water or gentle oil-based makeup removers are better options that won't clog your pores. Using Vaseline to repair split ends. Misconception. Do you think Vaseline can repair split ends? This is a common mistake that many people make. Vaseline can temporarily smooth split ends, but it doesn't actually repair them. Proper use. If your hair is dry and you have split ends, applying a small amount of Vaseline to the ends can make them more manageable. However, to prevent split ends, regular trimming and keeping your hair hydrated are essential. You can use Vaseline occasionally on the ends of your hair, along with leave-in conditioners or hair oils to keep them smooth. Applying Vaseline on cracked heels without moisturizer. Misconception. Do you apply Vaseline on cracked heels thinking it will easily fix them? Vaseline can soften your heels, but if they aren't deeply moisturized, Vaseline will only provide temporary relief. Proper use. If your heels are cracked, first apply a moisturizing foot cream and then layer Vaseline on top to lock in the moisture. This combination will effectively heal cracked heels. For regular use, apply Vaseline at night and wear socks to get better results. Vaseline for stretch marks. Misconception. Do you apply Vaseline to reduce stretch marks thinking it will make them disappear? Vaseline doesn't reduce stretch marks, but it can help keep your skin hydrated, making the marks less noticeable. Proper use. If you want to reduce the appearance of stretch marks, first apply specialized creams or oils, then use Vaseline to keep the skin hydrated. Combining products like cocoa butter or shea butter with Vaseline can give you better results. Using Vaseline for sunburn relief. Misconception. Do you apply Vaseline on sunburns hoping it will cool and heal the skin? Vaseline can trap heat in the skin, potentially making the sunburn feel worse. Proper use. For sunburn relief, use a cooling gel with aloe vera or a hydrating lotion that helps repair damaged skin. After the skin has started to heal, you can apply Vaseline to help lock in moisture and prevent peeling, but avoid using it on fresh sunburns to prevent trapping heat in the skin. Thanks for watching, beauties. Be sure to subscribe to How To For You. I'm here to solve all your how-to problems and questions. Whether it's skincare, beauty tips, home remedies, health, fitness, hair care, or hand and foot care, you'll find everything you need right here on one single channel. Drop your questions and how-tos in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out. See you next time, and stay healthy, stay beautiful.